As you work with more base materials and iron-on types, you'll notice some projects call for a warm peel and others call for a cold peel. In this video, we'll explain what on earth that means and why it matters. A cold peel means pretty much exactly what it says. Wait until your iron-on design feels cold to the touch before removing the liner. To cool it down faster, you can give it a little wave like this. Then simply peel away. A warm peel, on the other hand, means you'll get the best results when you peel the transfer when the design is actually still on the warm side, not cold and definitely not hot. So how do you know when to go warm or when to go cold? It all comes down to the type of iron-on material you're using. Always look for the manufacturer's recommendations. For all Cricut foil and patterned iron-on products, as well as Cricut iron-on designs, always do a cold peel to get the absolute best results. Simply type in www.cricut.com/ep-settings in the browser's URL and select your material and base on the quick reference guide. It's so easy and quick to get the answers you need. With the guesswork gone, you'll have success with your iron-on projects time and time again. Check back often for more videos about using your EasyPress too.